In this video, I'll show you how to export content and data from Hubspot. To get started, head over to the type of data you want to export. In this case, we'll use companies. You can find them by going to CRM and clicking on Companies, but you can also export other data types such as deals, tickets, or files. For this example, I've selected Companies. Next, select all or just the specific records you want to export. I'll go ahead and select all of them, and as you can see, they're now selected. After that, click on the Export icon and then click Export. From here, choose the export name and select the file format you want to use. You can choose between CSV, XLS, or XLXS. Then select the language and column headers and customize the export by including or excluding specific options. Once you're done, click Export. After the export is processed, the file will be delivered directly to your email. Simply open the email and download the file from there. That's all for this tutorial. I hope this helped you understand how to export data from HubSpot. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.